Hey guys, caught some favorable weather. Got the Emerson 588 Alpha out. Did some touch up on the cabinet. You can see in the previous video, had right many battle scars. So just touched it up with some toner lacquers to kind of blend the two finishes in together. Back in the shop, looking at the chassis of the Emerson 588 Alpha, I had one of the Ferris Wheel knobs. Used it to create a two-part silicone mold. Cast a copy that you can see here. I think it turned out pretty well. I'll use a plastic promoter and then a primer made for plastic so I can get adhesion, and use a lacquer-based toner to somewhat match the original. If it doesn't match, I'll duplicate or make a second copy of the knob and use toner lacquers to somewhat blend the dark brown, light black knobs and create some copies. You can see the shaft here. There's no dowel cord. And I never got around to cleaning the chassis, removing the tuning condenser. Zoom in here, you can see it's a pretty dirty chassis. No rust to speak of, but I'm going to take this thing apart, clean it up well. Tuning condenser stiff as well. There's that Litz wire loop antenna that I built. I'll put a link here in the video for folks that missed that. So more to come on the Emerson 588. A, as time permits. Thanks for watching.